Okay guys, it's me Imad. So today in this video tutorial we will learn about how to make a simulation for the electric power generation. So how we can do that? First of all, we need to go to our FET.com online simulator. So it is FET simulations. Now this is FET.com. So we can click on it. Now in the simulation section we can click on this physics, and after this has been done we need to wait for a while, and here all the simulations are now opened, and here we can see this generator simulation, so we can click on it. Now we need to click on this simulation, wait for a while. Okay guys, now we can see that we have our apparatus properly built up. Now we can see that we have one water source, we have one turbine, and on turbine we can see this bar magnet mounted, and the bar magnet is just placed near with this coil has been attached with that of this incandescent lamp. So how this used to work, whenever our tape is running like this, now you can see that the water is actually moving the turbine. The turbine is moving at 40.4 rpm. The magnet which is mounted on the turbine is also moving, and the magnetic flux used to link which is linking the coil has been changing, and this changing magnetic flux has been producing the power. So in this way we can produce any sort of electrical power. Okay, so now we can reduce the water supply, and now you can see that our power has been limited up. So more is the water falling on the turbine, more is the power generated. So in this way we can make a simulation for the electric power generation. So thanks for visiting our channel, and don't forget to subscribe.